Hey friends, welcome to the Design Guy. Ready to add eye-catching animations to your next Canva presentation? Let's get started. First, click Create. Then, from the options, select Presentation. Finally, click the Presentation button to start creating and editing your new presentation file. In the Elements panel, search for Works to locate the section you need. Select the appropriate item from the results. Next, look for the Place element within the same panel. Once you find it, select it and prepare to use it in your design as needed. Select the object you want to use. Set it as your background by choosing the Set as Background option. Next, click the Animate button in the top menu. Create a new animation for this object by selecting your desired animation effect from the available options. After that, drag the animation onto the timeline to position it where you want it to appear. This completes the setup for your animated background in the project. Now, let's add sunlight to the scene. Go to the lighting options, select the sun tool, and drag it into your workspace. Adjust its position and intensity to achieve the desired look for your project. Click the Animate button to start creating your animation. This will open the animation panel where you can choose different effects, set timing, and customize your animation settings. Use these options to bring your design elements to life easily. To add clouds, select the cloud element from the Graphics menu. Click on Graphics, then search for a cloud type you like. Let's use this one. Click to add the cloud onto your canvas. Next, add another cloud by repeating the process. Position the first cloud where you want it, then move the second cloud to a different spot for variation. Adjust their sizes or placement if needed. Select each cloud to animate them. Use the animation panel to create gentle movements, making your clouds float realistically across your scene for a more dynamic effect. Move the object slightly to the desired position by clicking and dragging it carefully to adjust its placement. First, select and delete this section to remove the existing movement. With that cleared, we can now add improved movement for a smoother result. Follow along as we update the motion to create a more polished and engaging effect within the animation sequence. After that, switch to full screen mode to preview your video. When you're ready, click the Share button. From the sharing options, select Download and choose MP4 as the file format to save a copy of your video to your device. You can also use the video directly from here for other purposes. Follow these steps to share or keep your video as an MP4 file. Click the star icon pointing down to bookmark or save this specific item. You just learned how to make animated presentations in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.